in the cow. Bagnaia then moves up one spot ahead of Valentino Rossi. What a ride from the Italian rookie, just gone up into fourth place. Here we go then, the final lap of the Australian Grand Prix. In the slipstream comes Marc Marquez. He's not rolling off now. He goes through and he leads the Grand Prix.
It's now or never surely for Vinales. He's gone down. He lost the rear coming through Lukey Heights. He's not going to be on the podium. Marquez is going to win in Australia. Disaster for Vinales. Unbelievable.
It's going to be 55 Premier Class wins for Marc Marquez.
Crutchlow takes second. Jack Miller's going to be on